Hey Andrew, so this is you guys' website. Looking at it, you guys don't have much content on here. You guys only have 63 words, so I definitely add a whole bunch more content on that page. If you want to rank your homepage, Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. Also, to get keywords for Google to find keywords on your website, it needs content. So the more content you have, the more keywords that Google is going to find and rank you for. If you want, you can just rank your back pages if you wanted, but it's nice to rank home pages and get traffic there. Next thing is images. You want this to be saved as a keyword as well. So you'd want AC repair Miami or whatever keyword you want to rank for. You'd want all your images to be saved as, and then it's just a missed opportunity if you don't do it. Let's go type in AC Repair Miami. First, this is ads. These you have to be verified to get these ads. Then you got the original ads down here. These are supposed to be a little less spammy, but it's just an ad. Then you got the GMB, and then you got the organic ranking. This is a directory, and then you got this guy grabbing this guy, looking at his website. He's got a fair amount of content on his page. He's got 965 words, so you'd probably want 1,500 or something to beat him with that. A great thing you can do is reviews. Reviews, they add a lot of organic content on your website, so you can just add some of those as well. And it's just a way to get original content that's not just copied, because Google will dock you for duplicate content. Next thing, let's see what this guy does for his images first. He doesn't do it right. A lot of people don't do it right, so now you have an opportunity to beat this guy with that. Because Google, it can't see the photos, but it sees what it's saved as, and then it'll give you a keyword for what it's saved as. Next thing, I'm going to go to AirFist, toss you into here. It's a cool tool I like to use. You don't have a UR or DR score. You had 8 backlinks, 3 referring domains, 4 keywords. And you get 1 person to your site a month. And here's what keywords you're ranking for. So, yeah, and you're only on the first page for this one, Air Service Inc. Let's go check out your competition, see what his looks like. So he's got 29 UR, 16 DR, 758 backlinks, 308 referring domains, 3.4K keywords. He gets 2.1K people to his website a month. Yeah, that's what is going on there. It looks like he started heavily getting them in December of last year. So he hasn't really gone after the backlinks until recently. But it's obviously helped. I didn't want to click on that just yet. I want to show you something with backlinks. So let's come in here and see what backlinks he's got. Looking at this, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go after the high DR, high UR scores, as well as ones that are relevant to industry. You don't want to go after fast food or stuff that's not relevant. Like not it's not a service like HVAC or plumbing, electrician. You can go after those ones, and it just gives you the most strength. This is just Pinterest. That's a social profile citation. Pinterest is a pretty good one to get. This is a spammy one. It's a 1DR, so I would not go after that one. We can see how I got it. I'm sure it's just a blog comment. Generally, that's what happens. I can't even read this. But let's come down in here and see what this is. This is a directory. We can see how to get on it. We could contact them. Add free business listing right here. So you could click that and fill that out and get citation backlink to your website. Yellow Pages. And you can just come through here and find all the ones that you like. And if you like it, you can get it on your website. Here's another citation, it looks like, or just directory. But yeah, other way you can go check out other competitors. You can go check out other cities and grab their competitors and grab their backlinks. All the different backlinks ones you can get. There's blogs, blog commenting, guest posts, sponsors, citation directories, news articles. Basically, anything that'll link back to you. Just remember to go after the high strength ones that aren't spammy and the ones that are relevant to your industry. But let's check out this guy's keywords. So obviously, well, so AC repair Kendall, that one's you should absolutely put that on your website. It's got 1,700 people that search that a month, and it's got a 0 KD. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. So you get on the first page with this really fast. Yeah, without really even trying too hard, you can get on that. So put that on your homepage, either under photo or put it with content. That's like a insane keyword right there. It's buyer intent and it's location based. I think Kendall is pretty close to Miami. It's like maybe 20 miles away or 20 minutes or something, from what I remember looking. AC Repair Miami. That one's obviously got a lot of volume too. 27 KD. So that one's going to take quite a bit longer to rank for. But go after this one. You don't. It's once you get that one, then you're going to get a lot of business from that right there, and then then you can start to go after these bigger ones later on. Air conditioning repair Miami, 929. Air conditioning contractors Miami, 150, 25. Air conditioning companies, 222. AC service Miami, 333. Air conditioning service Miami. Yeah, let's see if there's another really good one. That one was insane. Like really insane. That's a really good keyword. So I would absolutely get that on your website as soon as possible. AC installation Miami. Here's another nice one. 250 and 8 KD. So yeah, I'd put that one on your website too. I don't know if that's a city or what that exactly is. I'd have to spend more time looking at that. But it's got nice volume and a good KD right there. Here, AC installation Miami, 250 and 8. That's a really good one. I think that was the one we just checked. 40 and 0. Not too bad if you service that one. Obviously, it's not near what the other keywords are, but I mean, it's one you could grab. But we can come check out all these other pages. Go out, check out other competitors, and see what keywords they're going for. We can go. There's a whole bunch of different ways we can go check for keywords and find all the ones that you like, all the ones you want to get on your website, and start ranking for them. And then start getting traffic from them and calls. Duct cleaning, if you do that, it's a nice one. But yeah, that one keyword I can't get over. That was a ton of traffic on that one and very low KD. That's an incredible one. Homestead, Florida. If you service there. But yeah, next thing I'm going to go over, talk about the GMB. So coming here, grabbing this guy. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you set up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to make sure you add as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the better. The photos are the content for your GMB. And then you want to get citations. Citations are just directories. You want to make sure your name is the same on your GMB as on the citation directory. Same with the phone number and the location, which is Miami right there. Here's the thing that this guy only has 5 citations. Well, that this thing found, it finds about 80% of them. So that's not that many. That's like nothing. But Yellow Pages, Yelp, you can get Pinterest. That's a social profile citation. Facebook will get you on. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can go for more. You can go after as many as you want. Obviously, this guy doesn't have many, so it'd be pretty easy to grab them. How many reviews does he have? Only 8. Why is he so high? He must have a lot of photos. Would be my guess. But yeah, I mean, you can go get all these citations. It's not too hard to do. It's just pretty time consuming. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk more. If not, thanks for watching. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. I hope you have a good rest of your day.